In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Facebook app on Android. We'll use the simple, official method so you can get the app safely and start using it in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure your phone meets a few basic requirements. The Facebook app works on Android 6.0 or higher, so most modern devices are supported. You'll also need an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, and enough storage space for the download and installation. If your storage is nearly full, consider freeing up a little space so the install can complete without hiccups. A stable connection will help the download go faster. Wi-Fi is usually the quickest option, but mobile data works too. Now open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it in your app drawer or on your home screen, and its icon looks like a colorful play button. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Facebook. You'll see several results, but look for the official Facebook app. It has the familiar blue icon with a white F, shows billions of downloads, and is published by Meta. This is the trusted version you want. Tap the apps page to open it, then tap Install. The Play Store will download the app and handle the installation for you. If you're on a slower connection, give it a little time. You'll see a progress bar so you know it's working. If the button says Update instead of Install, that means the app is already on your device and just needs the latest version. If it says Open, you're all set. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch Facebook right away. You'll be taken into the app and can start exploring. If you prefer to open it later, you can find the Facebook icon in your app drawer. This is the official app from Meta, which means it receives regular updates, security fixes, and all the latest features. For safety, always install it from the Google Play Store rather than third-party websites. That's all there is to it. You checked the basic requirements, opened the Google Play Store, searched for Facebook, tapped Install, waited for it to finish, and then tapped Open. With the official app installed, you're ready to stay connected and up to date. If you ever run into issues downloading, double-check your internet connection and available storage.